Hello and welcome to a relaxing session of painting watercolor florals with me. I'm Suzanne and I'm an artist. I love to inspire people to paint in watercolors, and I show simple and easy to follow techniques through my course. In today's class, I'll be showing you how to paint florals in watercolors and ink. I will also be talking about how to gain control over your brush strokes, as well as using a calligraphic dip pen with Indian ink to enhance your vibrant watercolor florals. This course is great for anybody who loves to play with this medium. I personally enjoy the repetitive painting of simple shapes of petals and leaves that lets your mind to feel refreshed and ready to take on the next challenges life throws at you. I hope you will feel the same once you dive into this class.